Hi crochet friends, it's Dana from Nellie DC Crochet. Do you remember a few weeks ago, or maybe it was a couple months ago, that I did a review of the Woobles crochet kit? I'm going to put a link over there. Well, that was fun. But then I got to wondering, I wonder if these knockoff kits that you can get on Amazon and other places, I don't know, maybe they're not really called knockoffs, but I wonder if they are just as good and if Woobles is just so popular because it's a name recognition. So I went on Amazon and ordered a couple of kits. I ordered this crochet box. You know, I'm thinking it might be it's called crochetbox.net if you were to actually look it up. And then this is called the Gift of Love. Then I also ordered, ordered this kit. Isn't it cute? It is Zepiany or something like that. Crochet kit for beginners, all-in-one crochet pack case. Anyway, I'm not actually sure where it comes from. Let's see here. It comes from China, made in China. So we're going to unpack these together and see how they compare to the Woobles. Stay tuned. Okay, I'm back. Let's start off with this one, the Crochet Box. Well, this one, so far, it looks very similar to the Woobles. The yarn is a very similar yarn to the Easy Peasy yarn that Woobles uses, and that is kind of their name brand. Is very, very nice and soft and kind of like t-shirt material. And it also starts, they give you the 3 stitch markers with your starter magic ring. So that is really, really handy. Let's see, green, yellow, and white for smaller amounts of things to crochet. I forgot what I even ordered as far as, oh, there it is. Hello, Minty. Isn't he cute? He is this cute little owl. I can't wait to make him. The Gift of Love. And this shows you a link where you can find out how to make it and other instructions. In fact, the written pattern is right here inside this little pamphlet. It gives you all kinds of really good information. So, well, I'm impressed with that. That is very impressive. And a nice hook. I will say it is not quite as slick and smooth as my favorite clovers, but they do, it's a 3.5 millimeter. So I am looking forward to seeing how that crochets, although it's not quite as slick. We'll see. Then there's a little packet of, I think it's black thread. Let's find out. Yes, a little packet of black yarn. Oh, and nice. 2 different darning needles. Ooh, I like that. 2 different darning needles, one plastic and one metal or steel. They're both blunt. I guess that's you take your pick type of thing, maybe. I don't know. So, let me put that back in. We don't want to get things too scrambled up. Then we have a, this is a, what do you call it? Well, anyway, it's stuffing for your owl, but it's sealed. You know, what is that called? I'll have to come back to that. You know, when they seal it tight and there's no air. That's fun. So, oh, there's another booklet. What a great idea. Basic Stitches Introduction. Wow. Ooh, look at the list. Oh my goodness, this is amazing. How to read the oh, look at that. What an amazing picture tutorial. Fantastic. Wow, I'm really impressed with this booklet. So then a little card with the email and the code again. And anyway, I'm going to pack this stuff back up so I don't get it confused with the other box we're going to open. Now I'm really excited to make this. I'll show you again. Isn't that sweet? That sweet little owl. I think I'm going to send it to my granddaughter in Texas. Okay, now for this one. I think I don't know. I don't know if I ordered just the bee, or if we get everything. Let's find out. Woo. Okay. I think it's just the bee, but let's see. Hang on. 3. There's enough yarn to make 3 little projects. The bee, the penguin, and the bunny. So there is a bunny. Welcome to the Crochet Farm. Meet your farm friends, penguin, bee, and bunny. Yay, at least I said that right. Then scan it. So you scan the code to learn how to make them. I actually also ordered the 3 cats. I might have gotten it from a different company. Anyway, I gave that kit to my daughter. So what's in here? Did I show you? I forgot. Okay, let's see. We've got the gray. And this yarn is very similar. I would say, compared to the other kit, this yarn to me looks like it could be a little bit thinner. It could be thinner. We'll see. And it's got the 3 stitch markers. I'm going to be loaded up on stitch markers. And a little bitty start of a magic ring. So that's good. Then they give you the white. Oh, same thing. The start of a magic ring and another stitch marker. That's nice. And, oh, the same thing with the yellow. I'm not sure about the brown. Maybe the brown, you don't really need a magic ring. But the yellow, oh, I guess, yeah, because this is for the bee. This is for the bunny. And this is for the penguin. Okay, I get it. And then the brown, maybe we're going to need the brown on well, definitely the bee. And then this pink fuzzy yarn. Isn't that fun? Pink fuzzy yarn to go, probably the bunny. So then, yes, we do get a nice crochet hook. This one is a 4mm. Again, the metal part is not quite as slick. It's still smooth and slick, but not quite as smooth and slick as my favorite clovers. Okay, then we've got a little packet of doodads. You know, so because the owl in this other kit, his eyes are closed, we didn't need eyes. But this one, they do give you eyes. Let's open it. Oh, isn't that cute? That little sticker. I love stickers. My piano students know how much I love stickers. I always try to put an appropriate sticker on. Man, how do you open this thing? I do not see. There's it's taped. Okay, taped. Here we go. What is in here? Okay, I know we, so I know we've got 2 plastic needles, tapestry needles, blunt ends. That's nice. We've got several pairs of eyes, safety eyes. But these, oh yeah, so the ends on these safety eyes are like this. Boy, it's hard to, anyway, safety eyes. And I'm sure they're going to tell us how to do them. But then this, what is this fun little thing? Look at that. I don't know what that is. Is it a thread ring you put on your finger? It looks like a snake. I don't like that, but it is kind of cool. I guess you wear it on your finger if you're learning how to, because I don't hold my yarn that way. I hold my yarn a very different way. But most people do wind their yarn around their pinky finger. And so I bet they're going to teach you in the instructions how to hold your yarn that way, which I don't do. But anyway, that's kind of a fun little thing. Let me put these little doodads back in. And everything, all the little tiny pieces. And last but not least, there's a rogue eyeball backing. I'll have to get that later. Another pressurized, removing all the air, shrink wrap. That's the word I'm looking for. Shrink wrap of the stuffing for all 3 pieces. So that's going to be fun. So what do you think? You think these kits are going to be just as good as the Woobles? I hope so. I hope so. I have a feeling it will be as good. Now, there's no instruction booklet. Wait a minute. Wait. Hold on. There is a teeny little bitty instruction booklet with pictures, a pictorial tutorial. What is too big? What is too small? The right size. I like it. Okay, you know, I don't remember. I don't think that the Woobles had instruction tutorial, like a hard copy. You had to, everything was online. So that will be interesting. I can't wait to find out if this is just, if these, I don't know, should we even call them knockoffs? Are they just as good as Woobles? We'll find out soon. Tell me what you think in the description, and if you've made any of these, or if you've made a Wooble. I want to know. Let us know. I'm Dana with Nellie DC Crochet. I'll see you on another video. Bye-bye.